Today we're going to be continuing on with our parallel structure practice. So last time we looked at these identifying parallel elements as well as the checkpoint. So what these next bubbles are going to do is focus on having you go through and make sure that they match instead of just figuring out what words are being affected. So, for example, here we're still seeing how we want to go through and have things be parallel and match. So on this one, it's going to give you multiple choices and you'll cycle through to determine which one. So for instance, it might say he cooks, likes to cook, and cooking, and you'll cycle through and choose which one matches. And you'll do that on both of these. So I'm going to just go through some of the checkpoint questions for you. They should be the exact same. After making and delivering 50 pizzas, Legolas felt exhausted from balancing boxes. He feels hungry, or some form there, from smelling the delicious odors and ready for a greasy snack. So we have a list here. So we're going to want something that matches felt exhausted and ready. So he felt exhausted, hungry, and ready. These are making sure that our adjectives all match. When we go to Hawaii, SpongeBob SquarePants plans to sunbathe, surf, and he will eat pineapples on the beach. Now, we have the word surf here not in blue, so we know that's what we're wanting to match. So we can't do sunbathing because we're not doing surfing. So he plans to sunbathe, surf, and eat pineapples. That way they all match up with that infinitive. Once the teacher walks away, Timon and I return to giggling, whispering, and passing notes. These all are already parallel. They all have that ing structure, so we don't need to do anything for this one. After hours of practice, Angie Thomas finally learned how to dunk, pass, and dribble, making sure that they match that infinitive. For days after Hamish Abernathy came back from the rodeo, he only talked about raising horses, buying a farm. We already know ing, ing. We want an ing here. We have moving. So we want to make sure those all sit and match. During math class, Treebeard warned me to stop the doodles in my notebook and playing games on my calculator. So we're going to stop doodling and playing games to make those match up. I hope these were helpful for you for working on matching parallel structures. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out.